Good morning. It is a gorgeous one out here today. I am in the Matanzas Inlet in St. Augustine, Florida. And this is my first time fishing this body of water. And in fact, really, this is my first time fishing water like this. So this should be a really interesting adventure today. I'm really looking forward to it. I've already found some very shallow oyster bed. We're coming up on low tide, as you can see. All right, so a lot of firsts this morning. My first time fishing this river, my first time really fishing any river like this. I'm not familiar with fishing at low tide. So basically, just trying lots of new things here. I'm going to start out, because it is so early in the morning, I'm starting out with top water. I have a super spook here. I'm just going to throw a cast or two, and then actually I need to get out of this area because this is a boat channel. I hear a boat coming up behind me. Okay, now we're out here into the channel. Do I want to go towards the bridge or fish the shoreline? I think because it's low tide, I'm going to push towards the bridge. It's really a great day for my fish finder. There's some current washing out of this creek bed. Bunch of bait as expected. I'm going to just position my bow to the shoreline and let the current drift me towards the bridge. Oh. Oh. Did he bite me off? Oh, no way. Let's go see if I can get my lure back. Wow. What in the world? I don't see it. Come on, fish, give me my spook. Yeah. I guess it's a good thing I had 2 of those. Okay, the sun is probably up too high for top water, but I'm going to just give it a few more tries. I think as I'm coming up to the bridge here, I'm going to rig up a fluke style bait on a jig head. Do some subsurface. The question is, do I want a twitch bait or do I want a fluke? You know what? I'm going to start with the Miradan. I'm changing my mind. I'm under what's called the 312 bridge. That is Route 312 that crosses from, I believe it crosses from Anastasia Island over to the mainland of St. Augustine, over the Matanzas River. Okay, I'm gonna switch this over to that fluke on a jig head that I mentioned a minute ago. Okay, just had a quick battery change on my GoPro. I have switched to a gulp swimming mullet on a 1/4 ounce jig head. I'm going to fish this bridge, which is the 312 bridge. And there is a bunch of swimming mullet. So let's get going. Oh my God, a flounder. Wow, I did not expect that. What's up, flat boy? All right, all right, all right. Wow, that's a pretty nice flounder. All right, dude. Wow. That's probably a keeper, actually. I think, ow, son of a gun. I think the keeper size is 12 inches, but I didn't bring a cooler today. Not planning on keeping fish. Whoa, dude. Sure glad I brought my BOGO grips, though. I did not expect a flounder. All right. Very cool. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Wow. That was unexpected. My first fish of the day was a flounder. That was on the 3-inch gulp mullet, gulp swimming mullet, on a 1/4 ounce jig head up here under this bridge. A little bite, but short strike. Another short strike. Oh, God. Oh no, I was stuck on something. Okay, I'm re-rigged now with a fresh mullet and jig head and leader. I'd like to get something other than flounder. I'm 100% sure there are reds and trout in here, as well as jack. I mean, the flounder was actually really fun to catch. He fought. I haven't caught a flounder in years. I think I was probably about 10 the last time I caught a flounder. Oh, I just think I saw a tailing red. What the heck? Flounder? Yeah, it was a nice one. That was a surprise. I don't like the looks of that cloud. I'm not sure if I can depend on my weather app though. Dude. Alright, this storm is confusing because it is and then it isn't threatening. So I'm sticking really close to the bank. I have only caught that one flounder so far, but to be really honest with you, oh, what the heck is that thing? To be honest with you, I'm thrilled to have caught that flounder because this is my first time here and my first time fishing any kind of body of water like this. So, you know, I counted a bonus